What's up guys, it's Kong right here, and welcome back to another episode of TA in 10, the episode where I explain technical analysis skills within 10 minutes or less. Alright, let's not waste any more time, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and let's get started right now. Boom! What is going on everybody, and welcome back to another episode of TA in 10. Today's topic is going to be ascending triangles in a bull market. So I know exactly that right now we have a beautiful and strong bull market ongoing, and I want to be taking a look with you guys at a very interesting pattern which works many times and is making a lot of people happy, which are able to identify this pattern. So I want to make you happy, and I hope I will be able to do so. Alright, so an ascending triangle is basically, as you can already imagine, in ascending pattern. Most of the time it is a continuation pattern. Rarely it is a reversal pattern. Now, as we are in a bull market, obviously we are expecting more continuations than reversals. Alright, let me show you how, or let me sketch out how an ascending triangle looks like. So you have a very flat resistance, you have an ascending support, and most of the time your price is coming from above. Boom. It's hitting the resistance many times, then it breaks out, comes back down, and then continues to the upside. Alright, let's take a look at this beauty right here. We have the LTC perp chart open, and we are setting a nice and solid uptrend support. Let's make it a little bit bigger so everybody and Jimmy can see it. All right, so we have our ascending triangle. We have right here, 1 second, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches of the resistance. This is the key area of resistance. Most of the time you will have an area, not a singular level of resistance in this pattern. So most of the time you're wicking into this area and then coming back down and going back for the support, as you can see right here. Now, the main thing is how many times can this pattern be tested, or how many times resistance can be tested. In my personal experience, this is mostly between 6 and 12 times. I have never seen this pattern be, or like let's say the resistance of this pattern be tested more than 12 times before it either finally breaks out or breaks down. Now, talking about a little bit of the chances for breakout and breakdown. So we have a chance of a breakout at 75% and a chance of a breakdown of 25%. All right, now one very important thing, once again, is the volume. The volume is increasing your chances of breakout, or even increasing your chances of breakdown. All right, now as the volume is continuing, we want to be seeing stronger volume towards the end of this pattern. So basically people are getting ready are basically buying and accumulating below the resistance and are ready for the breakout. Now let me show you a chart where this worked beautifully. It was absolutely a mega super good trade, and this is...
And now, a word from our sponsors.
What's up guys, this video is brought to you by Prime XBT. Prime XBT makes the best trades. Prime XBT is the best exchange that you ever have seen. What? You still don't trade on Prime XBT? You have to get on the Prime XBT right now. Prime XBT is the best exchange for everybody who trades on Turbo, who trades on co-investing, and likes to do an analysis, or even technical analysis. Look at this beautiful technical analysis. All you have to do is sign up on Prime XBT, and you get to use the technical analysis, the co-investing, the Turbo, and even the trade features. You can trade crypto, you can trade CFDs, you can even trade Forex markets. Let's go! Sign up on Prime XBT, use the code KONG to get 50% deposit bonus.
Click on the link u.primexpt/Kong to sign up on PrimeXFT. Let's go. I trade PrimeXFT with PrimeXFT. Let's go.
Tomo, take a look. In this case, we have a nice uptrend on the daily. Let me show you. Boom, boom. We're going up nicely. We had a little bit of a retrace, and then we're looking for another bounce to the upside, and here we are on our 1 hourly. Let's make it on auto, and then boom, take a look. We got our beautiful ascending triangle. The support is rising. The key area of resistance is here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches, and at the 8th touch, we are moving to the upside. We have a strong breakout, and this is where a lot of people are FOMOing in at the very first breakout. Don't be one of them who FOMOs into an ascending triangle breakout as it is breaking out for the very first time. Most of the time, like even 90 to 80% of the time, it is coming back down and retesting the same key area of resistance. Now in this case, not as resistance, but as support. And then as soon as you're getting the bounce from support, boom, you're moving up very, very strongly. Now in this case, Tomo, the move is expected to be above, and then you're coming back down and retesting the same key area of resistance that you had right here. But this is going to be for the next video on the next Monday. Alright guys, so let me know in the comments below if you have ever seen a super cool ascending triangle, and always remember this one rule, okay? Don't buy the breakout of the ascending triangle. Wait for the ascending triangle to come back down and to retest the key area of resistance as support. Also, very, very important to mention is that you don't count a retest 1 or 2 candles after the breakout. We are counting here the retest on the 1 hourly. We broke out on the 30th of November and we retested on the 1st of December. So it's not 1 to 2 hours later. The retest sometimes needs a little bit, like a day or maybe 2 days if you're looking at the 1 hourly, and the higher the time frame, the more distance you have to have up until you can say, okay, this is an actual valid retest of support of the previous resistance as support right now. But as I said guys, about this topic, support and resistance flips, we already had one, and especially in the bull market and how to take a look at it is gonna be one of the next videos. So I would say thank you very much for joining in, and see you next time.
Now that was a beautiful series, wasn't it? Drop a comment and a like below if you liked it, and obviously dislike it if you disliked it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and obviously if you want to be knowing more about EA and see me live charting, understanding some tips and tricks and some super cool insights, then I suggest you to go onto my Twitch stream, which is happening Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays on kongbtc.live. Go from there, click the follow button, click the subscribe button so you never miss a stream again, and make sure that you tune in whenever I start streaming. Alright guys, thank you very much. Kong out.